And they're off. Early lead is taken by Fame and Fortune. Kimagure moving up on the inside. It's Kimagure, Fame and Fortune. And Princess Atiana, that's entry number 1 to Infinity and Beyond. And Ispaka na Toy. And at the mid-back stretch, it's Kimagure, Fame and Fortune, Princess Atiana. To Infinity and Beyond on the outside, Ispaka na Toy, Mr. Universe, Ideal View, and Daman Surya. And at the fat turn, it's still Kimagure in the lead. It's Kimagure, Fame and Fortune on the outside, and Princess Atiana moving up on the inside to Infinity and Beyond. And moving up now by the rail, it's Mr. Universe. And at the last bend for home, it is still entry number 2, Kimagure in the lead, followed by Princess Atiana moving up on the inside. It's Kimagure, Princess Atiana moving up on the inside, Fame and Fortune to Infinity and Beyond. And here comes Mr. Universe moving up now. And nearing the payoff line, entry number 2, Kimagure, and moving up on the outside, Mr. Universe. And finally at the payoff line, Mr. Universe, Kimagure, Fame and Fortune to Infinity and Beyond, Ideal View, Princess Atiana. The